When faced with the challenge of moving or transporting large purchases, several options are available: hiring professional movers, renting from a moving truck service, or opting for store delivery. However, renting a truck or van from a car rental service like AutoRentals emerges as the most advantageous choice. Here's why you should consider this option for your next move or large haul. Cost-effective and transparent pricing. Renting a truck or van from a car rental service can save you a significant amount of money. Hiring professional movers can be expensive, with costs adding up quickly for labor, mileage, and additional fees. Similarly, renting from specialized moving truck services often comes with hidden charges, and store delivery fees can be quite high. Car rental services like AutoRentals offer straightforward pricing with no hidden fees, allowing you to pay only for the time and mileage you need, making it a budget-friendly option. Flexibility and convenience. Car rental services offer unparalleled flexibility compared to other options. You can choose from a variety of truck and van sizes to suit your specific needs, whether you're moving a small apartment or transporting a few large items. With numerous convenient pickup and drop-off locations, you can plan your move or haul on your schedule. This flexibility is often lacking with store delivery services and professional movers, who may have rigid schedules. Reliable and well-maintained vehicles. When you rent from a reputable car rental service like AutoRentals, you can trust that you're getting a reliable vehicle. Our partner rental companies' trucks and vans are regularly maintained and thoroughly inspected to ensure they are in top condition. This reliability reduces the risk of breakdowns and delays, providing peace of mind during your move or haul. In contrast, vehicles from some other, less reputable rental services may be older and less reliable, leading to potential issues on the road. Spacious and versatile vehicles. Car rental services offer a range of trucks and vans with ample space for your belongings, making it easy to transport large furniture, appliances, or bulk purchases. The spacious interiors and flat loading areas facilitate easy packing and organizing. Whether you're moving your entire home or just picking up a large item from the store, a car rental service allows you to choose the right vehicle for the job. Enhanced safety features. Safety is a top priority for car rental services and their partners. Their trucks and vans are equipped with modern safety features such as backup cameras, anti-lock brakes, and stability control systems. These features help ensure a safe driving experience even when carrying heavy loads. Professional movers and store delivery services may not offer the same level of safety and control over your belongings, usually requiring the need to buy additional movers insurance. User-friendly rental process. Renting a truck or van from a website like AutoRentals is a seamless experience. The online reservation system allows you to select the vehicle you need, choose your pickup location, and complete your booking in minutes. Unlike the sometimes cumbersome process of dealing with other rental services or scheduling professional movers, car rental services like ours make it easy and efficient. Conclusion: renting a pickup truck or moving van from a car rental service is the smartest choice for anyone looking to move or transport large purchases. With cost-effective rates, flexible options, reliable and spacious vehicles, and excellent customer service, you can handle your moving or hauling tasks with ease and confidence. Avoid the high costs and potential hassles of professional movers, other rental services, or store delivery services by choosing a car rental service for a smooth, stress-free experience.